Bullish Polygon cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.87 and $8.43 by 2030. Market examiners accept Matic could reach $3.87 by 2025. Bearish Polygon market cost expectation for 2022 is 68 cents. Polygon presentation. Polygon is intended to be a scaling answer for the complex idea of blockchain networks. It expects to bind together and smooth out the procedure on blockchain networks, permitting them to work all the while, work on the speed and lessen time and expenses. The outrageous measure of traffic and clog on the activities of Ethereum have driven its decentralized application framework to turn out to be for all intents and purposes unusable, with low throughput and specialized misfires, which is what Polygon means to address. Since its send-off, Polygon has drawn in 130 million clients, facilitated 3.4 billion exchanges, and aided the advancement of 20,000 applications. In this aid, we present Polygon's functions and elements, give its cost expectations in view of specialized and basic examination, and investigate whether it is a beneficial venture. What is Polygon? To forestall the obstructing of Ethereum's decentralized application frameworks and the increasing expenses related with said blockage, Polygon is a Layer 2 organization that doesn't modify Ethereum's blockchain in any capacity. As a matter of fact, works all the while as a layer. It works with various organizations and has many purposes. Consequently, the name Polygon, a rearrangement system for the complex Ethereum blockchain. It addresses and forestalls the blockages prone to happen on the Ethereum blockchain given the information traffic, and is likewise outfitted with better security frameworks. Matic is the unit of installment between members who utilize the Polygon organization, a marking it held as the computerized coin of the organization. Polygon Specialized Examination. The product advancement pack of Polygon is intended to assemble side chains that can work in contact with the principal Ethereum blockchain. The primary chain that Polygon works on is a proof-of-stake sidechain where network clients can decide on overhauls and stake Matic tokens. The sidechains utilize versatility techniques, which are plasma chains, which combine exchanges into blocks and afterward collect them into a solitary accommodation on the Ethereum blockchain. Optimistic rollups, which can scale Ethereum brilliant agreements, CK rollups, which consolidate numerous exchanges into a solitary exchange. Polygon Essential Examination. Polygon was planned with explicit highlights to battle specific issues with the Ethereum blockchain becoming superseded with information to make the exchanges less expensive and quicker. The sidechains are finished on the Ethereum main chain while the activities happen independently at the same time and are collectivized into the principal chain. The public sidechain is viable with various conventions. The highlights empower multi-chain exchanges at a lower cost, taking less time and empowering more clients on the organization to profit from a consistent UI. To act as scaling arrangements, Polygon has presented 4 plans. Polygon POS, which, first and foremost, saves costs, speeds up in its job as a Layer 2 arrangement. The Polygon Hermes scaling arrangement gives clients the choice to include their own elements, their own sidechain, which they can then acclimatize with the bigger blockchain. This is an extraordinary choice for clients needing to turn out to be more involved with their tasks. Ultimately, Polygon Sunset is intended to bring down the think twice about protection and security on blockchains and centers fundamentally around this area of exchange arrangement. It doesn't stop there with the advancement of Polygon, as other scaling arrangements are underway. Polygon Zero is an alternate scaling arrangement from other zero information scaling arrangements and has every one of the fundamental elements of a Layer 2 arrangement. Polygon Profit focuses off-chains and independent chains, while Polygon Meden is another Layer 2 scaling arrangement that utilizes the creating field of zero information to consolidate great many exchanges and diminishing information traffic along the ETH chain. Polygon Current Cost. Polygon is as of now worth 86 cents USD. Matic has moved 1.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $287,397,046. Polygon is as of now position 10 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,632,617 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Polygon to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Polygon Value Forecast 2022. Polygon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Matic cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.29. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.20 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Matic is supposed to have a base worth of $1.03. Polygon value expectation 2023. In 2023, Polygon Matic cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Matic will before long outperform $2.15. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Matic's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Matic will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.72 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.89. Polygon value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.01 and Matic might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Matic is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.75 and a low of $2.58 in 2024. Polygon value expectation 2025. Assuming that Polygon effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the Matic coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Matic will be green in 2025. The Matic is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.87, with a base cost of $3.44 and a typical cost of $3.61. Polygon value expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Matic cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.47 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.30 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Matic has a greatest value worth of $4.73. Polygon value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.33. On the off chance that Matic figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.59. Neglecting to assemble the help Matic needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.16. Polygon value forecast 2028. While Matic is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.02 and a yearly cost close above $6.45 in 2028. Polygon value expectation 2029. By 2029, Polygon will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.88 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.31, averaging out at $7.05. Polygon value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand.